Once upon a time, in a quiet little village surrounded by rolling green hills, a young boy had a very important job, taking care of the village's sheep. Every day he led the sheep up the hill where they grazed on fresh green grass, while he kept watch. But after a while, the boy started to get bored. Day after day, nothing ever changed. The sun would shine, the sheep would nibble on the grass, and not a single exciting thing happened. The boy wished for something, anything, to break the boring routine. And that's when an idea popped into his head. What if he pretended a wolf was attacking the sheep? The thought of seeing the villagers rush to his aid seemed funny. So, with a mischievous grin, he stood up, cupped his hands around his mouth, and cried out,
"Wolf! Wolf!"
Hearing his call, the villagers dropped what they were doing and ran up the hill to help. But when they arrived, they found no wolf, just the boy laughing at their worried faces. The villagers shook their heads and returned to the village, a little annoyed but relieved the sheep were safe. A few days later, the boy grew bored again. Remembering how much fun it was the first time, he cried out once more,
"Wolf! Wolf!"
Again, the villagers came running. And again, no wolf, just the boy, laughing even harder this time. But the villagers were not amused. They warned the boy not to do it again and returned to their work, feeling frustrated. But one evening, as the sun was setting and painting the sky in shades of orange and pink, a real wolf crept out of the forest. Its sharp eyes gleamed as it crept closer to the flock. The boy's heart pounded. This time, the danger was real. Panicked, he jumped up and cried out for help.
"Wolf! Wolf! Wolf!"
But this time, no one came. The villagers, tired of his tricks, thought it was just another lie. The boy watched helplessly as the wolf attacked the sheep, and there was nothing he could do to stop it. The next morning, when the villagers saw what had happened, they were heartbroken. The boy had learned a painful lesson. When you lie too many times, people stop believing you, even when you're telling the truth. And so, the boy never cried wolf again. What's the moral of the story? Honesty builds trust, but once that trust is broken, it's hard to get it back. A question to ask yourself: do people trust your words? Or have your actions made them question what's true? Let us know in the comments below. Like, share, and follow for more inspiring stories.